How to fix song not playing in YouTube Music in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, open YouTube Music, and then on top right corner you can see the account icon. Now click on it and then click on settings. Now here you can see the option playback and restrictions. If you turn on stream via Wi-Fi only, then turn it off. After turning this button off, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open your settings and click on general, and then click on iPhone storage, and then scroll down and find YouTube Music, and here you can offload your YouTube Music. After offload it, then reinstall app. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.